Are you tired of the hassle of importing and managing project files one by one? Juggling multiple projects and constantly switching between imports wastes your time and disrupts your creative flow. This constant back and forth can make even simple editing tasks feel tedious, but what if you could make this process easy? Try the Import Subprojects feature in Filmora version 15. With Filmora 15, you can import multiple projects at once. This saves you time and simplifies your workflow. You can dive straight into editing and focus on honing your creative vision instead of wasting time on repeated imports. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. The Import Subprojects feature meets all your needs for creating professional-grade, complex videos. Let's see how to use Subprojects feature in Filmora 15. Step 1. Launch and start a new project. Launch Filmora 15 and start a new project. Then go to the files and open any of your recent projects. Step 2. Open a subproject in Filmora 15. Go to the files, and you will get an option of Import Subprojects. Click on it, and then select another project and click on Open. And a subproject will be opened in Filmora 15. Step 3. Access a subproject in Filmora 15. On the main timeline, you will get your subproject. Click on the subproject to access it, and to go back to the main project, click on the main timeline to go to the main project. You can even move the subproject tab position on the timeline by holding and moving it and making it easy to access. Step 4. Copy and paste from and to the subproject. You can easily move the files from the main project to the subproject or from the subproject to the main project. You can move a file by selecting and holding it, and then take the file to the subproject and drop it into the timeline, or you can use Ctrl+C to copy and then go back to the main project. Place the playhead at the paste place and press Ctrl+V to paste the footage. Similarly, you can open multiple projects together in the same project. Step 5. Access subprojects footage. To access the subprojects footage, go to the Project Media folder, and you will get all your projects here. Click on the project title to access the project footage and the subproject main file. Even if you have a compound clip, click on it, and it will open it in a new tab on a timeline. Example: in Filmora 14, if you want to edit 2 projects simultaneously, you have to close the current project to open the second one. But with Filmora 15, you can open multiple subprojects on a main timeline, which could save lots of time for the editor while editing. Revolutionize your professional video editing experience. Unlock editing that's up to 10 times faster and elevate your projects to new heights. Try Filmora 15 today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next